Hi there, how are you? Hello Saji. This is your June reading from last 10 days of June. It's about money and your love situation. So I'll just pick up three cards. So it will give us random messages depending on the situation, what resonates with you. Just a thought that planets are in retrograde right now. Four planets, Saturn, and you have Jupiter. Mercury just went into retrograde, and you have Venus, which is coming out on 25th of this month. So be very, go slow, go in a phased manner, take baby steps. Don't rush into any decision. So slow and steady will work well for all of us. So this I have been, it's just an advice to all of us across signs, Saji. So let's see what the cards have in for you. So Tower card, Two of Pentacles, the Star. So Tower card, Saji, something did not work out, something you had worked for days and years or maybe months did not work out, and there was a sudden shake up and everything fell apart within few moments. So this shake up usually comes from the universe. It's not bad at all. It's not a negative card, because things that wouldn't work for you has fallen apart, and you were just trying to put in lot of work and work and work. Maybe even if it is a business or a money situation, partnership situation, or a love situation, falling apart. So maybe in your recent past, you have something has fallen apart for you and it's shaken you up. There could be losses, there could be cut in money. So it talks about this. Initially, yes, there are losses, and you're really into that shaken mode, that you don't know what to do, what happened. So this is the Tower card, but I will clarify this card, like the Tower, with one more card. So please clarify, Saji, money and love situation. The High Priestess. I feel it's about I don't know how to these cards go, but what I feel, there was a deceive, there was something hidden which you were not aware, and this was the reason of this falling apart. If it was a love situation or a money situation, there was a deceive, there was something hidden, and because of that this thing fell apart, whether it was your partnership falling apart or your business venture falling apart. So it talks about kind of there was secrets, there was deceit, and it did not work out. So Two of Pentacles. Here it's for some of you that you're trying to making a balance between. It could talk about two situations. Maybe you're doing a job or a business and you're trying to balance both. Now with this COVID-19 has caused immense losses to all of us, and some people, they're getting into a venture still having the job in hand, and they're trying to do a fine balance. And it's not that it's easy. You can see the stormy sea behind. So it's a very fine, delicate balance which you have been trying to do. It could talk about you balancing two people in a love situation. Maybe you have something new coming, or it has already come, and there is an old situation. Being a retrograde thing, you could have somebody from your past, maybe not recent, sometime. So you're trying to balance two people in your life. So this talks about, Two of Pentacles talks about balancing two situations, two ideas, two person, and it's depending on your situation, it might just resonate. Now we have the Star card. So Star card is it's about new idea. You are seeking help past is gone, like past, you are healing from a situation, you're healing, yes. And also some of you are trying to manifest happiness. You are it's a card, wish card too, so you are trying to manifest a wish. Maybe you wanted a person in your past to come back to your life right now, or you want a reconciliation with for some of you. So you're wishing that. It's a star card. You are trying to manifest that person. Maybe it also could talk for some of you about a new love situation wherein you are you do like someone, and you want them in your life. So it talks about manifest. It also talks about manifesting a new money idea or a business idea. So basically very positive card, the star card for you, Sagis. So I feel that June end you are going to feel happy, and you will wish things happening in your life, manifesting good things in your life. So we'll pull one card from the bottom of the deck and see. Four of Swords. So basically it talks about this situation that you had. You are healing, you are healing from that. Also it could talk about some of you being you are not well, or you have some medical ailment, you are healing from some ailment, or also emotionally you are healing from a certain situation, from the Tower card that you had, and balancing things. You are healing from your past, and it shows that you're in a phase of rest and you've taken a step back. Although you want to manifest these things, but it is a slow process. It will just, this is your, with the star card, I feel you will be feeling very positive towards the end of the month, and for few of you it's really healing. Even it could be a spiritual healing for so many of you, like you get a spiritual awakening, and you try to heal yourself emotionally, that everybody is going through right now. So the card talks about basically healing, rest, taking your time. So this is it. Sorry, there was a lot of noise in the background. This is it, Sagis, for you. So thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in July readings.